Hello and welcome to Mike's Garage. If you've already subscribed to our channel, thanks a lot. If you haven't, please do. We're really pushing for that 100,000 mark. Anyway, I have something really special to me today, so please indulge me while I do this. I have a gentleman that writes into our comment section every time we put up a new video. This guy is wonderful. I say he's wonderful. I think he's wonderful. If you don't, hey, you don't have to watch it. But this guy is a poet, and he's a literary genius, and I just love his stuff, and I love his poetry that he sends us. Again, every time we put up a video, he sends us a lot of poetry. And I've got one here that's our latest, and I just love it. And please, I hope you enjoy listening to it, because I love it. And like I said, he does it every time. It's always fun, and I really appreciate him. Now, he lives in Sherwood Forest. He's over there, way over there. And so I hear about the weather there, and of course the things that we put on our videos. Gentleman really knows mechanics and engineering and stuff. It all comes through in his poetry. So I'm going to read this right now, and what it's about is the last video we put up. Last couple of them, we're doing a top end cleanup on my shovel head. So he comments on the methods and the means for doing those things. So here goes. This is from LOD Dude in England. It always pays to bust the glaze with spinning balls for cooling, or your rings run hot because they're new to the plot, or forced to ride fresh tooling. Small spiral grooves help spread the loops and irrigate their bedding, lest the flame breaks past and gives a blast to every guest at the wedding. For their skirts don't like hot gases. I hear kilts object the same. They wrinkle up and trap your rings, and blow-by joins the game. So to betteth in thy new rings, go easy on the gas. Don't labor, thrash, or lug it. Just show the thing some class. Nottingham sits in autumn fog as leaves turn green to brown. The forest winds will soon return and drop her summer gown. But for now, all is eerily still and almost silent, y'all. Now, I don't know. Oh, heck, you enjoyed that. I loved it. And the camera lady is over there smiling because she loves it. And we really wait for these poems every few weeks. Okay, now there's something else we need to talk about. Hippie Killer Hoedown. The Hippie Killer Hoedown 2025. I understand I advertised it for 2015 and I was off 10 years. Anyway, so it is this weekend. It is tomorrow, Saturday morning at 11 o'clock it opens, and it is at Winchester, California. You'll find it on any computer. It's not hard to find. It's in Southern California. It's put on by Cuddy Note Boom, and it's a hot rod custom car and chopper show. There will be a bunch of bands there and giveaways and prizes and food and all kinds of stuff. This is going to be a lot of fun. We go every year. I've got a few people going with me tomorrow. I'm not sure how many of us. I'll be on this little red motorcycle here. It's one of my favorite things. This is Baby Doll. So we'll be there, and let's see, I've got 4 of the bands listed here. Crime Wave 66, The White Walls, Goodbye Bullets, and Rebel County Saints. There may be more by the time I get there. I don't know, but that's what's happening the 25th of October, 2025, which starts, I guess, at midnight tonight. But it'll be 11 o'clock tomorrow morning. They'll be opening the gates, and it's going to be a ball. If you can possibly be there, I'll look forward to seeing you. And I'll be riding there in the morning, and hopefully I'll see you out on the road.